Welcome. In this video I will show you how to find the MAC address on your HP 255. First we need to open the CMD application, so open the start menu and search for CMD. Find a command prompt and run it as administrator by clicking right here. Then click yes, and in the following window you have to input ipconfig /all. Press enter to run this command and you'll get the list of internet adapter or network adapters installed on your computer. You'll find that most of them are disconnected, but each of them has the physical address that is this adapter's MAC address. So we are looking for the connected wireless LAN adapter if you are connected to the Wi-Fi, or the Ethernet adapter if you are connected to the internet using Ethernet cable, and find the physical address that goes after it. So in my case, this is the MAC address of my Wi-Fi adapter. And below we also have, at the very bottom, we also have the Bluetooth MAC address right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.